First of all, really bullish and insane day for crypto because Bitcoin has reached a new all-time high with going to 75,000. This is first time in history Bitcoin has reached 75,000, and I think we will go to 80,000 in November, most likely in mid to late November. The best part is that Donald Trump won, and he has been bullish on crypto since he started the presidential campaigns. And Elon Musk was attending alongside Donald Trump, which is bullish. And why it is bullish is because Elon Musk has been talking about Dogecoin since 2021. And the funniest part is that he will be running the Doge, the Department of Government Efficiency, alongside Donald Trump.
Government Efficiency Agency.
The government, yeah. I mean, call it whatever you want. But
what do you want to call it? What do you call it?
I mean, I think the funniest name is DOGE, the Doge, the Department of Government Efficiency.
Which means that for the next 4 years, he will be talking about Doge frequently, and every time he will mention the Department of Government Efficiency, the Doge will most likely go up. That's why I went all in Doge. Right now, it seems like the biggest crypto coins are pumping. The low cap tokens and coins are not pumping yet because the retail is not here. The retail will come only when Bitcoin reaches, surpasses all-time high and stands above the all-time high. I think 80,000, 85,000. That's when the masses will start coming in. Until then, I will hold only Doge as my biggest basically investment in my portfolio. I am holding many other coins, of course, but the Doge will be the biggest one because it should reach a new all-time high in few weeks, in my opinion, because as we all know, Elon Musk's favorite crypto coin is Doge. He thinks it has the best narrative to become the actual cryptocurrency, the currency of the world. And the fact that Dogecoin is the first meme coin ever and it has the biggest market cap, it is the most decentralized. There are no huge whales that can dump it. There are no insiders. That's why this is the safest meme coin. And I think the 2025 will still be the meme coin narrative. One of the biggest narratives will be meme coins other than gaming, AI, and all of that. That's why I think Dogecoin is the safest play in meme coins, in my opinion, and this is not a financial advice. So my price prediction for the next few months, few weeks, is that Dogecoin will reach $1, which means around 5x from now. And that's only based on the fact that the biggest narrative still is meme coins. The second thing, Elon Musk will be talking about Dogecoin frequently. This means that even Trump will be talking about Dogecoin, and the fact that Dogecoin right now is standing at $0.2 is really laughable. It should go about $1 right now. I think the price target for the 2025 is like $5 at max. That's why I think this is a great opportunity to stack Dogecoin, the biggest meme coin that there is. And yeah, I will be holding a Dogecoin mainly until we have the masses here, until the Bitcoin reaches at least 80, 90,000 and stays there. That's when I think the masses, the retail will come here, and it will be time to buy low cap altcoins. Right now, there is not that big hype around altcoins, only Bitcoin. That's why it reached a new all-time high. And looking again historically, after the presidential elections are over, and they are basically over, Donald Trump has won. That's basically when the attention goes from the presidential elections to crypto. And the best place where you can buy Dogecoin and where I am personally buying Dogecoin is MEXC and KuCoin. And if you want to get a big bonus for signing up and trading, you can use my referral link. The referral link is in the description and in the comment section. So if you want to buy Dogecoin and get a bonus, you can use those links. And if you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto NFT airdrop alpha like this, press that like, press that subscribe, press that notification bell. So every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.